You gonna jump again?
Look at.
Whoa!
Should we jump again?
Should we or should you?
Should you?
Me too?
Me too. Me too.
Oh, good jumping. Do you want to show us your super soccer kick?
Look at my super soccer kick. Look, Daddy.
Whoa! That was crazy. Oh, strike a pose. Whoa! That was crazy.
That was a great kick.
What you got, Mama? Whoa! Nice. Whoa! This is a Clash of Titans.
Are you trash talking me?
Yeah.
It's like toddler Tai Chi.
Oh, she's doing the pig thing. I'm throwing the ball all around the world. You're imitating the super pig.
Is that what you're doing?
Yeah. She's imitating Daddy.
I threw the ball all the way around the world. Ha!
Whoa, with one eye. She kicked it with one eye.
You mean Super Pig, right?
What's the matter with your eye? Huh?
Big.
With my arm of power. Ha! Hey. Hey, Lola. Lola, can I call you Super Pig?
Super big. The biggest. The big one. Call me super big. With my arm of power. Oh, you need to throw a ball here to pick the car. Oh, you super big. Wait. Super big. I can see your ball. That's you. You know what that means? I threw the ball. I'm running around the world.
It's like performance art.
Piggy.
Oh, Piggy, you need to throw a ball. You need to pick the car. Piggy, oh, Piggy, you need super big. Wait, super big. I can see the ball back here.
You know what this means?